Hello and welcome to my Onam series. Today's Nakshatram is Pooradam. It is therefore the 8th day in the run-up to Onam. By today, the Pookalam has become quite large and more complex. Onam is not only a harvest festival in Kerala. It is also a festival to welcome King Mahabali, who is believed to make his annual spiritual visit to his people during Onam. Today is the day that King Mahabali is invited into the homes of his subjects. The recipe that I am sharing today has its origins in the Namboothiri and Palakkad Iyer communities of Kerala. It is called Rasakalan. Come, let's see what ingredients we need to make this Rasakalan. ഇന്ന് പൂരാട നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. ഈ പൂരാട നക്ഷത്ര നാളിൽ ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു രസകാളൻ കൊണ്ടാണ്. വരൂ, നമുക്ക് രസകാളൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. For the rasakalan, I have a wedge of pumpkin weighing nearly 200 grams. I'm going to cut this wedge of pumpkin into big wedges. The skin of the pumpkin is usually not removed for the rasakalan. You can make the rasakalan with most vegetables. You can make it with drumsticks, cucumber, brinjals, anything you like. I'm making the rasakalan today with pumpkin, winter melon and drumsticks. Next comes a wedge of winter melon weighing nearly 200 grams as well. I'm cutting the winter melon into wedges just like the pumpkin. One drumstick cut into pieces. I have 100 grams of mango here. This mango is unripe and sour. As a rasakalan is a spicy, tangy and sweet curry, the vegetables are cooked in tamarind water and yogurt is added to the curry later. But I am cooking my vegetables with mango pieces. I am cutting my mango pieces small because I am adding the mango as a souring agent and not as a vegetable. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder, 1 heaping teaspoon black pepper powder. Let's add water now. 1 cup, 2 cups and 3 cups. We'll now set this aside for the moment and grind the coconut paste. Put a cup of grated coconut into the grinder together with 3 green bird's eye chilies. Now let's grind this to a smooth paste. Here it is, the ground coconut paste. I also add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds lightly crushed into the rasakalan. Don't grind the mustard seeds with the coconut because the mustard seeds will become bitter if they are ground. Just crush them lightly in a mortar or pestle or with a rolling pin. 1 teaspoon of lightly crushed mustard seeds. Let's cook now. I've just turned on the stove. The flame is high. Let's mix the turmeric powder, fenugreek powder and black pepper powder into the water cooking the vegetables. Add 3 green bird's eye chilies that have been slit lengthwise. Cook the vegetables to a boil. The water has come to a boil. Now reduce the flame a bit, cover and cook the vegetables until they are half done. Let's now check if the vegetables are about half done. Yes, they are. So let's now add the ground coconut paste. After adding, stir the coconut paste into the gravy. Add salt to taste while the coconut paste is cooking. Also add the lightly crushed mustard seeds while the coconut paste is cooking. When the raw smell of the coconut paste disappears, test for salt and then add 1.5 cups of beaten sour yogurt. This is 1 cup of yogurt beaten with half a cup of water. Turn the flame to low after adding the beaten yogurt. Then stir and cook the curry on a low flame for 2 minutes. There's no danger of the yogurt splitting because the yogurt has been beaten and it is now being cooked on a low flame. Add 2 stalks of curry leaves while the curry is cooking on a low flame. These fresh curry leaves will enhance the taste of the curry. Turn the stove off after 2 minutes. Then cover the curry and let's proceed to do the tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds begin crackling, add 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Turn the stove off and wait for the oil to cool a bit before adding the chili powder. This is to prevent the chili powder from getting burnt. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add the tadka into the Rasakalan immediately. Stir to mix the delicious tadka into the Rasakalan. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of sugar into the curry. This is because the Rasakalan is a spicy, tangy and sweet curry. So it is part of the cooking procedure to add the sugar. Then turn off the stove. The Rasakalan, a sweet, sour and spicy yogurt and coconut curry. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.